The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to a new Bittorrent video. Right now 3.09% in green, looking nice and juicy. Well, not quite juicy, but it's looking nice. It's looking better than yesterday after Elon Musk dump, right? So we're gonna look at it. Also, I got something for you. It's not much, but it's something. And I know when you guys are down this much and have been bleeding for a while, you'll take anything. It's not actually something, it's something like, but it's happening also on Bitcoin and happens on a lot of other coins, but I'm gonna show you, and I've checked over here and it happens also here, so I'm gonna do it on Bittorrent right now. It's basically some kind of a bottoming pattern that's right now we are in, that might actually play out. It's on a small time frame, but you know, it's something. Anyways, let's get into the charts, but before we do that, we got something called daily altcoins video, where we watch the coins, altcoins, 30 altcoins every single day, up, down, what, sideways, what's good, what's not. If you need some help with picking coins, check it out. Patreon link down below, also Telegram link down below. Almost 4,000 members, trying to pump those numbers, so come and help us. And now that we are in the charts, make my face smaller, charts bigger, always a good thing, cannot be a bad thing, right? Let's see what's actually happening with Bittorrent and what actually happened. So this stump didn't actually start on Bittorrent yesterday. It started like 4 days ago when we broke the 10, 20 and the 50 moving average and went all the way down here to some kind of support down here. We managed to actually hold prior to the dump, and then we started dumping. If you go on the 4-hourly chart, you can see that we actually the Elon Musk tweet came on this candle up over here, but we all were already dumping before the candle. We were looking and like everything else, even Bitcoin was dumping and looking to find some kind of a reversal over here, right? And then the last bullet came and pushed us down. So this is actually the candle that actually wrecked everything, and then it continued down here. And once we are down here at 150 or something like that, we got back up again. So we are sitting some there's something going on here, so we're gonna talk about what the thing that's going on here. Besides that, before we go into the reversal pattern that I'm gonna show you, this is actually good for Bittorrent. This is good for Bittorrent because it is resetting. Let me go into the weekly chart. It is resetting our beloved RSI index. Right now we are sitting at 60 levels. Previous week we closed at 68. So technically we don't have to go down there, but the further down you go, the better the probability are that you are going to get out of it. Also, we are sitting right now on the 10 moving average, and we might anytime right now just pop out of it. But of course, everything depends on Bitcoin. And you see that right now the FUD going around Bitcoin and meme coins and everything else. Like, I think it's gonna take a couple of days, I think, before people relax a little bit and understand that, like, yeah, it's life as usual. So for this bottoming pattern that we're gonna look at, it's happening on the 1-hourly chart. I told you it's 1 hour chart, it's small time frame, it's something, it's like, it's not much, you know, it's not a daily pattern or something like that, but it is something. So what is happening over here? We get something called divergences, RSI divergences. This is a rubber band index, right? Like a rubber band, and when things go down and don't follow the price, we get something called divergence. So basically what happened here, the price went down. You can see here, maybe you should use the bigger line and make it like thicker. You see the price went down, right? The price was going down, but the RSI is going up. This is called something called RSI divergence, also known as bullish divergence, and it continued up. Now once we start going up, this divergence played out and it's over, we start hitting some kind of resistance and are being pushed down. But at the same time, we are getting this over here where the price is going down, while at the same time RSI is going up. This is not RSI divergence, this is RSI hidden bullish divergence, also known as a continuation pattern. So basically it's telling us that we are going to continue in whichever direction we are going, and I think we are going down or up or down or up. So this is a reversal pattern, and then this is a continuation pattern, but it's bullish. So to the upside, so I think that we are right now, you can see also here that once we broke back above the 10 moving average, right now we are picking up a little bit and getting back up there. So that might be it, because if we were that bearish, I think we would continue going down here. We can still make another try to go down here, but if we go lower than the previous slow down here and the RSI doesn't go below 28, then we get double RSI divergence, which would be very, very bullish for the price. Now there's a pattern over here, and for that I'm gonna remove some of the moving averages over here. I'm gonna clean up a little bit the chart. I'm gonna clean up a little bit of chart and remove the moving averages. I'm gonna show you there's a pattern here that's very bullish as well. It's still on the 1 hourly. I understand, but I'm gonna show you anyhow. I'm gonna show you anyhow, and it's going something like this. It's going from this top. So you see, it is very nice. First of all, this is a trend line, right? It keeps us from getting above the trend line. It keeps us above. Now there is also some kind of support line here, and I found it, and I think it's very nice. And it's hitting these lines over here. You can see here how these wicks are actually confirming here, somehow confirming, but also this wick is down, you see, being hit. This one is being respected, so I think this line is very nice. So what this is right now is a falling wedge, and falling wedges have probability to break on the upside. If I actually find my line, put it back there. Probabilities to break on the upside, and that's what we're actually looking for. We are looking for to find some kind of bottom over here to break this falling trend right now, to break this falling trend and get up upside. And best case scenario would be to get above these lines above 0.064, but because they were previously acting as a support, so we want to get back above that support. And if we break above that, if we break above the wedge, the target should be for this wedge around somewhere around I don't know if you're gonna break it up here or down here, or maybe somewhere around here. You can see that we are just barely above these two lines over here, and they are basically just a support lines that we have been previously using as our triangle line. So we are trying to get back into triangle, technically trying to get back into the triangle. Also, as a last notice, why did we stop over here? It doesn't help you much, but it's good to know why we stop over here. There was also a very nice trend line going on, very nice trend line. In fact, it was going from somewhere. Let me use this. Yeah, this is the one. You can see here clearly, like, it hits this top perfectly, hits these bottoms nicely, hits this wick, and right now it's giving us that support that we need right over here. Looking very nice and juicy. So let's go into the 4-hourly chart and see how that played out. 1-hourly chart, see how that played out. That's the line. It's a little bit off, but that's probably because I use maybe some wrong wicks. Or maybe just the price chart is not that accurate, but it's pretty good support. It's pretty good support, and that's giving us some kind of support there. There is no, actually, beside that, there is no other reason why we should have stopped there, because there is no moving averages on this level or something like that. Daily, no moving averages. Like, there is nothing in between over here. You can see here weekly has, but it's all the way up at 61, 62 or something like that. It's at 62. If we go to 1-hourly chart, bring back these, 62 is all the way up here, so it's not that one, so that's the best reason I could come up with why did we have this fall all the way down here. It's because of this trend line. Now, whether that's true or not, it kind of depends, but right now it looks like a very nice and juicy falling wedge over here that we are looking to break out. We got some kind of divergence going on here, and hidden divergence going on here, so this might actually do exactly that Bitcoin is going to do and break on the upside. I told you guys it's not much. We are looking to get break on the upside out of this. We are still below all of the moving averages. Up here, so technically we are in strong downtrend. Also on the 4-hourly we are in strong downtrend. What I want to see is actually basically on the 4-hourly chart, I want to see us getting above this 10 and 20 moving average. Once we are above 10 and 20 moving average, I'm going to relax a little bit, but right now we are not quite there. But then nothing, most of the coins are not, like Cardano, sure, Cardano is above there, but like most coins are not above 10 and 20 moving average on the 4-hourly time frame, and that's also one important aspect of the 4-hourly time frame and when you should feel like you are in uptrend or not. That's it. Thanks you for watching, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you want to catch up next update on Bittorrent. Also check out the Patreon link below if you need some help with picking coins, and join the Telegram to help us hit that 4K mark. Thanks for watching, guys. See you around. Bye bye.